Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to change Facebook language. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, just make sure you have landed on your Facebook account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right and scroll down and tap on settings and privacy drop down. Go to settings. From here, search for language. And here, tap on language and region. Tap on language into which you would like to have posts translated. And here, change your desired Facebook account. Here, change your desired language in your Facebook and just tap on save. So yeah, this is how you can just change your Facebook language. Hope this video will help you out and I will see you in the next video.